What's up, guys? Welcome, Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into this. All right, so Fetch AI. Oh man, so the whole market right now, just want to point out the whole market, has been doing crappy. We've been, alts have been bleeding like crazy. Big alts like Solana, ADA, even my beloved ICP has been, hit pretty hard. I'm sure there's a whole other handful of projects that are just, hitting new lows and just not doing good right now. Bitcoin did jump up yesterday. If you guys remember, this was on 9/11. We did drop down to we broke 25,000 and we got right under a hair under 25,000 briefly, but we did come back up. But we kind of sat at that 25,000 mark, and we are currently sitting overnight. We jumped up over $1,100 up to 26,150 currently. What I'm basically getting to is Bitcoin is still in for the fight. As much FUD that's out there and everything that's been just going on with everything right now, the economy, the Fed, what I'm going to get you right now, and just with the whole market itself, it's just everything's been trying to pull crypto down with it, but Bitcoin has been just being trying to be strong. We are we've been slowly stagnantly going down, but like I keep saying, Bitcoin is looking decent. What I'm getting to with Fetch, on the other hand, has been looking damn good. Obviously we did hit this local high right here at around just under 27 cents, right? And since then, the market really has been tanking, but Fetch really hasn't been going down as bad as the other projects. We are currently sitting at 23.3. And if you can see, looks like we formed like this beautiful W pattern. So I want to see where this draws out. I think if we could have two different moves right now. We could easily move up to this line right here. That's been a solid spot of some support, but it might turn into some resistance, the 23.7 mark, or we could blow right by and come back up to this 200 week moving average, which is sitting around 24.2. It's going to probably go to either one of those numbers as long as Bitcoin can kind of hold its own and stay above 26. The way things are going, though, Bitcoin has been, making little small moves, and then it'll have a nice little sell off. It's just the way the environment that we're in right now. And with that being said, I've really been just keeping an eye on Fetch because I want to keep accumulating. I bought a lot when we were down here at that, like when we touched somewhere around this under 18 cents. I was just adding and adding real big chunks. Like, I mean, I doubled, tripled, I think even more my position in Fetch whenever we dropped down to there. And since then we did make a move up, and I was up high. We did drop back down, obviously, but I'm still up on my position, and I'm definitely not selling because this is a long term play. But what I'm saying is where we're at right now, it's not a spot where I want to buy in. I want to either us start moving back up, or I would rather us just drop back down to these like 20 cent, sub 20 cent marks so we can just accumulate and add to our bag. With Fetch, has been so strong that it's been just, we saw yesterday we did drop down to around 21.9, and I was watching, because I was like almost getting ready to hit that buy button, but I was like, let me hold off because, it looks like if everything keeps continuing, we're probably going to find some support somewhere around either the 21 solid or that 20 cent mark is what I was thinking. But we pretty much bounced a little bit under the 618, like I said, at around right under that 22 mark, 21.96 to be exact. And we bounced from there. And this was even before Bitcoin even started rallying up. Fetch is a project. I'm always watching videos, like live videos from other people, and I always see people commenting, Fetch AI, Fetch AI. Fetch AI is going to be one of those sleeper projects that people know about, but that are going to wish that they bought in whenever we were down in these levels, because this thing is going to shoot up. Mark my words, in the next bull market. We just don't know what the numbers are going to be yet, right? This thing could easily go up to a dollar 100%. But what if we get up to maybe two, three, four, $10? And that's what I'm planning for, something like that, like something a big major move. Because AI obviously is going to be the future, and AI with blockchain technology, I think is going to be something that crypto is definitely going to use and take advantage of. And what better than have a project that's already mastering all that. So right now that we're sitting in a bear market, I'm definitely going to definitely keep adding on to my bag. Fetch.AI is something I really believe in. So we'll see how it goes. Again, we are sitting at around 23.2. We'll see how what today brings. Bitcoin obviously would have to stay strong for us to keep moving up. One thing I wanted to bring up is core inflation rate tomorrow, year over year, forecast to go down to 4.3. Previous was at 4.7, so moving down about 0.4%. This is what the feds are watching as far as their decisions on interest rates increasing or pausing. So we are going to be moving down, which is going to be great. I think what's kind of messing up the market right now is, along with everything else, you have the inflation rate year over year is actually forecast to go up from 3.2 to 3.6.4%. So I think that we'll have to see. That's tomorrow. The number is going to come out, but that's what it's most likely forecast to do. And I think that's what's kind of just has the market sitting on like a teeter totter. It's like, we'll move up, but then we'll quickly move back down, because I think people are just, they don't feel comfortable having their money in risk assets like Bitcoin or crypto or anything like that. So with that being said, keep an eye out for us to hit some resistance around 23. We'll call it 23.8 around there. I think we're probably going to maybe move up to there, find some resistance, and maybe bounce back down. If we are rallying the whole market and Bitcoin maybe has a great day today, we'll probably jump up to this 200 week. Again, maybe get rejected right at it, 24.3, or maybe we'll bounce up past it and maybe form some kind of support until tomorrow. There's always going to be volatility on days of inflation numbers coming out. So we'll see how it goes. But other than that, guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. You guys can get instant alerts. I appreciate everything you guys for me. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.